Hey everyone, get ready to fold into the future. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is coming, and it's set to redefine your smartphone experience. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. 90% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Let's dive in. Display: immerse yourself in an 8.2-inch cinematic viewing experience. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold's foldable display offers a new level of versatility. From binge-watching your favorite shows to multitasking like a pro, this device has got you covered. Processor: powered by the cutting-edge Google Tensor G for chip, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold delivers lightning-fast performance. Handle demanding tasks with ease and enjoy seamless multitasking. Camera: capture every moment in stunning detail with the advanced 50MP plus 10.8MP plus 10.8MP rear camera system. From breathtaking landscapes to stunning portraits. And for those perfect selfies, the 12MP plus 12MP front camera has you covered. Experience the next level of selfies with the dual front cameras. Battery: with a massive 5,000 mAh battery, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold keeps up with your fast-paced life. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, playing demanding games, or capturing memories, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold aims to keep up with your active lifestyle. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is shaping up to be a game-changer. Stay tuned for official launch on August 13th. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more updates and tech news.